Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to blend edges of an image with the background in a very simplest way. So guys, be with me till the end of video. Here we will blend this image with the background. First, we will remove the background of an image. Since I am using Pro version, I will use background removal feature in Canva. If you don't have Pro version, you can remove background on remove.bg website. Next, click on Elements and choose Square Element or Rectangle Element. Resize it according to the image. Now change the color of rectangle. Click on Color panel and go to Gradient Color Palette. Choose any gradient color. I choose this one because at the end we will change the color. Change the gradient style to this. Click on gray color and changes its transparency from 100 to 0%. Now change white color to the background color with the help of color picker. Add same gradient color one more time. Click on plus sign. Little bit adjust the rectangle. And you are done. We successfully blend the edges of image with the background. Friends, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.